Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2021 Yamaha Wolverine X4 XTR. We've just installed the Ryco Street Legal kit on it, part number 2105. Now you guys have seen that this kit does work on the X2 all years from 2019 to 2020 and X4s from 18 to 20. Well, guess what? We verified the same kit is going to work on the new 850 Wolverine from Yamaha. Let's do a little walk around and show you a little bit about how this kit works. Now the Ryco kit comes with three 3/4 inch LEDs. You can mount these anywhere. You can drill a 3/4 inch round hole. You can do them up along there. This is a very popular placement for us. Even out on the side, the choice is yours and you can separate them. They do have daytime running lights, as you see there. They are able to be overridden. How do you operate it? Up or down, just like your car. Down will be left. Indicator light up on the dash to let you know the turn signal's on. You'll see that front flashing. Very nice and bright. And what I love about the Ryco kit is it ties into the stock tail light housing. So it illuminates all of those LEDs in the stock tail light. Up for the right hand side. Nice and bright. We do like this mount placement. As you can see, it does even reflect off of all that black portion, giving you a really good field of view. And you gotta love that XTR. Good side view there on that tail light. And of course, amazing rear view light. The Ryco kit also has the 4-way hazard function. Simply pull out on that red lever. All 4 corners are going to illuminate. This is required in some states. And around the back side. To release the 4-way hazard function, simply go up or down with the lever. You can't push it back in. Horn button is integrated into the end of the lever. Nice, loud, car-style horn. And the kit also comes with the license plate mounting hardware, as well as a light to illuminate the plate at night. You can see our selected location there. The Ryco kit comes with everything you need to be street legal here in the state of Utah, with the exception of 2 mirrors. Here in Utah, you do need to do a left view and a right view mirror, or a left view and a rear view mirror. It's completely up to you. Check with your state to verify the requirements in your local state. 435-427-3338 will get us on the phone. We'll also provide a link to our sister store in the description below of where you can simply go on and place an order online. We do have these kits available for every side-by-side and ATV on the market. If you'd like to talk to me personally, my name's Jared. 435-851-3637. Have a great night, everybody.